Hello guys, I am going to show you the tutorial on spiral card. So let us begin. The materials required are pastel sheet, scissor, pencil, glue, double-sided tape. Take a square pastel sheet of dimension 10 into 10 cm and make sure it is quite thick. Draw a spiral shape on it. Make approximately 4 rings and cut it out. Take a card cover and paste the spiral with the double-sided tape as shown. Cut some colorful hearts and paste them on the spiral at some distance. Make 2 such rings and paste them as shown. The spiral card is ready. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thanks for watching.